Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to remove wishlist menu icon or menu option in my account in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our my account page. Now you see wishlist. So we are going to remove it. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add plugin. Then in search plugin, write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation, on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet. So click on it. Then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. Now select PHP snippet. So click on it. Now create custom snippet section open and then you can add title and then you see code preview. Now paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now you see remove wishlist menu from my account wishlist and then you see unset. Now go to my account page wishlist, right click on it and then click on inspect. Now you see class and then you see link and then you see wishlist text. So you can add same format of text in custom code. Now you see wishlist all small letters. So we added. Now you see and then you see this is the redirection dashboard, redirect to dashboard and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. And then scroll down, you see insert method auto insert location run everywhere. On top you see inactive no active and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to my account page. So there is another way to hide wishlist by using custom CSS. So you can copy this CSS and then add display none. Now close and refresh the page. Now you see wishlist remove from my account menu. Now go to customize section. Another way is now you see WooCommerce My Account-Navigation-Link wishlist display none. Now you see hide. So you can use custom code or you can use this CSS. So it's up to you. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.